Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you a song in a different way than some of you are used to. This is the way that I would teach another musician, one of my musician friends, a song. And it doesn't involve sheet music. So if you're the type of person that typically learns from sheet music, please try this method out. Put away your sheet music and grab your accordion and sit down in front of the computer with some speakers, either on your headphones or out loud. This is going to be a playback exercise. So the same way that we do ear training, where I just play a sound like this, and then you play back. We're going to learn a song like that, because really that's how you learn music that sticks with you. My recommendation to you, depending on your skill level, is to just do 2 lines per day, or 2 lines per practice session. Don't try and digest the whole song unless you can do that. So for majority of players, try and learn 1 section of the song. If you're just starting out, try and learn 1 line or 2 lines. And let's get started. So grab your accordion, put away the sheet music. Please don't refer to sheet music. Sit down, get your hands on the accordion. I'm going to play a line or 2, and I want you to pause the video or keep the video running. We'll see how big of a pause I do, and play that line back. Okay, so the song is in E minor. Get your hands on an E minor triad, starting from the B. So B, E, G, B, right? Good. So if you can do that, just B, E, G, B. Very good. So let's start off. You'll play back after me. Again. Good. Let's continue that. Again. Your turn. If you do make a mistake, try it again. And again, don't refer to the sheet music. Just go by your ear and where your fingers are and look at my fingers if you need to. But sit there and play that line over and over again until you play with no mistakes. So again. Once that line is done, we'll go on to the next line, which is again. Pause the video, play your side of it. When you get that, let's play both lines together. Play that. And again, for the majority of you that are beginner to intermediate players, that's all you practice today. Get your hands, step away from the computer, step away from the sheet music, and hum to yourself and get your fingers playing. And then tomorrow you can continue with the video, which is, let's all play the next part. Play that. Good. And let's end it. Again. And if you got those, let's play them together. And that's how we break apart the song. I play a part, you pause and you play back that part. It's basically ear training exercises, but we're learning a song. And for those of you that can play the whole first part, turn off the computer after this video, put away the sheet music and walk around your house or sit down for 10 minutes and do. Oh. Right? That's what you need to practice. Practice that section until it's good, until you don't make mistakes, until it's in your memory. You should be humming and whistling and singing that part. Tonight before bed or tomorrow morning, pick up the accordion again. Don't look at the sheet music. It's again taking the accordion and doing a And if you can't remember a part, let's say this part, watch me play it or listen to the recording. I'm playing it in the same key, and just do that part again. Something that helps me remember is what the left hand musical principle is. I know it's an E minor, so my hands are already going to the right. I know the ending is A minor, so I know my fingers are here. La 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 la, and then B7. La. That's how I know my F sharp, because that's a part of the B triad. And then I would go on to part B. So if this works for you, fantastic. You just learned the song by ear, through playback, without sheet music. That pattern will remain in your fingers. You won't have to rely on sheet music to remember the song, because playing without sheet music requires you to work through those notes. Give it a try. I understand if you're used to playing off sheet music, this is terrifying. This is something that's a bit scary, and it might be difficult, but the more you do it, the easier it gets. For the rest of this video, I'm just going to play part B, C, and D. Feel free to pause as you'd like. I'm going to play each part twice. Again. The whole part. Again. And again, that's all I would do for one day. Just that part B. Next part. Again. 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 Make sure you're using the correct fingering. 1, 2, 1, 5, 4, 3. Let's do that whole C part. Again. Good. Part D. And again, that's all you should practice. That one's a bit more intricate. Take your time. Don't look at the sheet music. Just practice breaking it up into parts. Let's do the next part. Again. Next part. Again. Again. Let's do that whole part together. Again. Let's do the ending. Again. Next part. Again. Good. Last part. That's just a B7 triad. Ending. Let's put those two parts together. Again. All of part D. Actually, you know all of part D. You could play it if you can. I would break up that part D into a few parts, which is... That's part D1. Practice that until you get it. And then the ending, let's call this part D2. That's how I guess that's how I teach other musicians a song, through that playback. When a song is this large, we may not get it in one try, or we may not get note by note, but we get the general idea of the song, right? And the same way we would do the left hand, which is, actually I'm not sure if this is the best way to learn the left hand of the song. The left hand should flow naturally based on your knowledge of the song. So listen to the song, whistle it, play it, and the left hand will match up with your right hand. If you're playing and you see that you switch to the right hand and you're trying to do, and you see that dissonance happening, know that it's not correct. So stay on the E minor, for example. Try and feel those changes. Again, this is something new. If you're not used to it, it could be intimidating. But let me know in the comments if this helps. Obviously, the full tutorial on sheet music is on accordionlove.com. You can sign up for free. Let me know if you enjoy this way of learning. If yes, I'd be happy to teach you other songs this way. Enjoy.